Black isn't the absence of color, it's the master of it, swallowing every wavelength, leaving nothing to return to the eye. In physics, black means total absorption. Light enters and dies there. Its energy transformed, never reflected or remembered. Artists chase this perfect void. Vantablack and its rivals, materials so dark they erase depth and shape entirely. Nature uses black as camouflage and signal raven feathers, panther fur, and beetle shells designed to trick both predator and prey. In space, black is everywhere, the backdrop of creation itself. Not empty, but filled with unseen radiation and quantum storms. So when you see black, you're not seeing nothing, you're seeing the universe at rest, holding all color quietly inside itself.